Probe into Professional Standards Bureau. After 12 cops walk free. The conduct of the Professional Standards Bureau of the Police Service is now under investigation, in light of the collapse of 2 criminal cases, which has allowed 12 accused police officers to walk free. In a statement, the Police Complaints Authority, PCA, said that the 12 officers were discharged because the rules of court procedure were not followed, there were no prosecution witnesses, and evidence was not produced by the police to the court. The PCA said that the Professional Standards Bureau, PSB, had conduct of these high-profile and serious criminal matters. This follows several referrals for discipline and repeated pieces of advice by the PCA to the Commissioner of Police over the past 13 years. These investigations refer to matters where police complainants fail to attend court, fail to comply with the court's directives, and fail to comply with their own standing orders, said the PCA. As a result, the matters have been submitted to the investigative and legal units of the PCA for immediate action. On Wednesday, 5 police officers charged with misbehavior in public office were allowed to walk free. The officers were accused of accepting a $30,000 bribe to halt the prosecution of a businessman. During a sufficiency hearing yesterday, Master Sarah Da Silva dismissed the charges against officers Keenan Williams, Evans Mitchell, Latifa Lazalma, Kevin Gomez, and Jabari McIntyre. The dismissal followed repeated noncompliance by the prosecution regarding orders given by the court which had to be followed before the cases could proceed to trial. On a number of previous occasions, the Master had granted extensions of time for the prosecution to correct its procedural errors. However, when the matter again came up for hearing yesterday, the directives had not yet been complied with. On Monday, 7 other police officers were discharged on charges of misbehavior in public office after the prosecution could not provide Da Silva with any information regarding whether the police file had been submitted to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, for a state attorney to be appointed. None of the police officers from the Professional Standards Bureau, PSB, who brought the charges against the 7 officers showed up for the hearing on Monday. Those officers were charged in 2023 in connection with the alleged extortion of businessmen in the Sangre Grande area.